Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Before watching this particular video, please follow example number 1 and example number 2 on big O notations. So again I have f of n is given 5n plus 4. This is the existing function and n values are here. 2, 3, 4, 7 up to so on. The definition of theta bond will be, this is the f of n, okay, this is your f of n. So you will have to find the upper bound of this function and lower bound of this function. And here should be c1 g of n and c2 g of n. Here you can see this is the c1 and this is c2. So it means that you can have different values for c1 and c2. Like I can keep one n here and I can keep 10n here. Okay, this is an example. So for the c1 and c2 I can keep, but if I am talking about the n function, so I cannot keep like here. Like for example, if I keep log n here and I keep n here, so I cannot keep like that. So I must keep same function like here. If I'm keeping n here, so n will be here also. So it means that the condition is true. 5n plus 4. So I already found 1n and I already found 10n. So the condition is true. So if I keep these values over here, like this will be 2 less than or equal to, this will be 14 less than or equal to, and this will be 20. Okay. If I keep 3 here, so it will be 3 less than or equal to, it will be 19 somehow, if I'm not wrong, and this will be 30. Okay. So if I keep 4 here, so this will be 4 less than or equal to, this will be 24 less than or equal to, and this will be 40. So it means that we have already satisfied the definition of a tight bond. So now I can represent this definition with the theta n, But if I keep like if I try to keep a different function from the given functions, for example, if I take this function from the class, and I need to write it here n square, and here like I can write 10 square. Okay, so the condition will not be true. So this condition will be false. This condition, definitely this will be satisfied, but this condition will be false. So it means that I cannot write like n theta n square. I cannot write like that. So if I cannot write like that, so it means that I cannot write theta n cube. I cannot write like that. I cannot write theta n like that. So it means that this theta bond only belong to this particular n. This is your lower bond, as we have already discussed. This is the lower bond, and again this will be the upper bond, and this only function will be the average bond. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today. Inshallah, we will have different example in the next lecture. Please keep watching the video. If you have any confusion, you can comment on that, and I will get back to you. And in the next lecture, we will have few more example of upper bound, lower bound, and average bound. Again, I will repeat that don't mix the worst case, best case, and average case with the upper bound, lower bound, and average bound. I have already mentioned that these two concepts are totally different from each other. the upper bound, lower bound, and average bound, it's all about we have to find the we have existing function, and with the existing function we need to find the upper bound of that function and lower bound of that function. And the worst case, best case, and average case, it depends on your problem nature. What is your problem, what you want from the particular algorithm. So don't mix these two concepts.